Good early afternoon, everyone. It is Thursday, April 25th, about 12:40 here early this afternoon, and welcome into the early portion of today's video weather discussion, where we are going to discuss what is going to be an active stretch of weather coming up here across the state of Illinois, and this is going to kick off tomorrow, Friday, and it's going to run all the way through Monday. Every day during that period, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, we're going to have the chance of rain and thunderstorms across different portions of the state each day during that Friday to Monday time frame. And we're also going to be looking at possibly a severe weather threat each of those days as well. So to get started here with the big picture view here across the United States, what we have happening is we have a trough here. Big disturbance here coming into the west here, a trough coming in, and that is going to develop an area of low pressure here today across the Nebraska, Kansas, Colorado corridor. And this area of low pressure that develops today is then going to jet off towards the northeast as we head into the day on Friday and into Saturday, with this first disturbance here moving through the core of the western United States right now at this time. So when this first storm system develops and moves off towards the east, we're expecting a big severe weather day today across the plain states. And then as we head into tomorrow, that severe weather threat is going to move further off towards the east as the storm system continues to track further off towards the northwest. Then what we're expecting to happen is there's actually a secondary disturbance that's also going to swing up towards the northeast. It'll develop a new area of low pressure that'll jet off towards the northeast, and we'll have another storm system, that storm system that'll bring more severe weather on Saturday, kind of to this corridor out here on Saturday, and then on Sunday that severe weather threat will shift off towards the east here. And then eventually on Monday, we could be looking at a severe weather threat even further off towards the east here. So a multi-day period of severe weather chances is on the way as we get two storm systems that are going to develop and move northeastward through the region. So all in all, multi-day period of severe weather potential pretty much on the way for this large chunk of the country right here across the central United States. And bringing it in a little bit closer here to around the state of Illinois, just to take a look on the wide grand scheme of things, what we're going to be expecting. As I mentioned, they're going to be dealing with quite a bit of severe weather out across the plain states today. Places like Colorado, Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, maybe Missouri, Iowa overnight tonight. They're going to be dealing with severe weather through the day today and into overnight tonight as well. Now, as we get into Friday morning, Friday afternoon, the leftover activity from that severe weather today and tonight is going to move across Illinois during the morning and afternoon hours on Friday. So during the morning and afternoon hours on Friday, we could see some showers and thunderstorms across the state. Not really expecting severe weather with any of that activity. However, as we move into Friday afternoon, Friday evening, a new round of severe weather will get going out here across Nebraska, Iowa, Kansas, Missouri. And then that activity, that second round of activity, will eventually make it into Illinois during the evening hours on Friday and overnight Friday night and into Saturday morning. It is possible that a couple of those showers and thunderstorms that do move across Illinois with that second round of activity Friday evening, Friday night, there is the potential maybe for some isolated severe thunderstorms with that activity, especially generally across northwestern, western, and southwestern Illinois. And I could actually briefly show you our severe weather risk for that time period. So this is for Friday afternoon through overnight Friday night. As I just outlined, there is the possibility of maybe an isolated severe thunderstorm across northwestern, west central, and southwestern Illinois. Once again, this will be Friday evening and into Friday night. But the bigger threat for Friday is actually going to be off the screen out here, which would be across Iowa, Missouri, back into Kansas and Nebraska as well. The bigger threat on Friday. Now, as we continue into time here, we're going to see things dry out a little bit here as we head into Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon. But as we head into later Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, into overnight Saturday night, we're going to see quite a bit of severe weather develop out here across Oklahoma, Missouri, Kansas, maybe Nebraska, Iowa, up into Wisconsin as well, because we're going to have a frontal boundary, area of low pressure, and a cold front out here. And once that activity does develop out here across this corridor, it will work off towards the northeast here. So by the time we get to, like I said, late Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, and into overnight Saturday night, we could be looking at a severe weather potential with showers and thunderstorms across portions of northern and western Illinois. During that point in time, we'll actually be issuing our first severe weather forecast for that Saturday and Saturday night time frame later tonight, so be on the lookout for that. And then as we move into Sunday, it's not over yet. We have a threat on Sunday, too. We're going to see some showers and thunderstorms, another severe weather day. See activity we're going to see develop out here across Wisconsin, Minnesota, down into Iowa, Missouri. And once that activity develops, it will jet off towards the northeast here. So by the time we get to Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, overnight, Sunday night, you can see how that activity moves from the west to the east across the state of Illinois here. Some of this activity across the state could have a severe weather potential with it as well for Sunday and into Sunday night. And then if that's not enough, we could see lingering potential as the cold front, area of low pressure on Monday. This cold front sweeping through on Monday, we could see the potential for showers, thunderstorms, and maybe a severe weather threat down there across southern and southeastern Illinois for Monday. So we're watching Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday for the chance of rain, thunderstorms, and severe weather potential across the state. Now, given the fact that we are going to see multiple days with rain and thunderstorms across the state and severe weather potential, it is going to be wet. It is going to be wet the next several days. Now, it is not going to be a total washout. It will not be a total washout any of the given days, whether it's Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or Monday. It will not be a total washout any of those particular days. But we are going to be running the risk for rain, thunderstorms, and severe weather potential each day and each night. And when all is said and done, we could see quite a bit of rainfall here across the state. So this is the European model that I'm showing you, the estimated rainfall from the European model here from Friday through Monday. And as you can see here, it does depict that much of the state could pick up between a half an inch all the way up to 2.5 inches of rain, depending on where you live here across the state. So it is, like I said, it's not going to be a total washout Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, but there will be plenty of rounds of showers and thunderstorms that affect the state in that Friday to Monday time frame. And when all is said and done, we could see between a half inch to 2.5 inches of rainfall, depending on where you live and depending on where exactly those rain and thunderstorm areas traverse the state here over the next couple of days. So severe weather potential and maybe some heavy rainfall with potentially some localized flooding potential for some areas as well, especially if we see training of heavier rainfall over the same areas repeatedly here over the next couple of days. With that said here, let's jump into the video chat, see if we can get to a couple comments and questions here. See Mary checking in from Pike County. Thank you for tuning in down there. Angie from around the Pekin area, central Illinois. Katie checking in, mentioning you're hoping for no rain Saturday afternoon because you're doing your engagement pictures. Well, congratulations on your engagement. Hopefully, we will see some dry hours Saturday afternoon. It actually looks like there's a very, very good chance, that we'll see quite a bit of dry hours and clear hours Saturday morning and into Saturday afternoon. So hopefully you can get your photo session in there while things are dry. Zachary checking in here with a comment, why can't we get rain early in the week and leave the weekend alone? I'm sure many would be happy to have that kind of setup where it rains during the week and it's nice and sunny and warm during the weekend for activities, but unfortunately that is not how it goes. Kat checking in here from Kankakee County. Rain and thunderstorm chances pretty much from Friday all the way through Monday. Your better severe weather chances out in Kankakee County probably will be right now as it looks Saturday night into Sunday. And Sunday night as it looks right now. Janet checking in from down in Union County. Unfortunately, you'll be in on those shower, thunderstorm, and severe weather chances as well. Good chance of some showers and thunderstorms Friday evening into, should I say, all day Friday and into Friday night down there. Another good chance as you head into Saturday, all the way into Monday morning down there. Tyler wondering what time for the storm Saturday evening. We're at the time of year where the timing is, it's hard to pinpoint exact timing. We usually give you a general time frame because the thunderstorms will move in when they're good and ready to move in. So for northern Illinois, Saturday evening, yes, during that whole time frame during the evening, you could run the risk of some showers, thunderstorms, and even a severe weather potential across northern Illinois for Saturday evening. I'm going to pronounce this incorrectly. Jalal here checking in from Stevenson County, northwestern Illinois, traveling up to Milwaukee Saturday afternoon and late at night Saturday. Yes, you could encounter some showers, thunderstorms, and severe weather potential, especially in that Saturday late afternoon through overnight time frame. Rhonda checking in from down in Adams County. Yes, you'll get some rain and thunderstorm potential, maybe some severe thunderstorm potential during this time period as well. Bradley checking out in Kingston. That's up there, northern Illinois. Right in the DeKalb County region over there. Yes, you'll be getting some rainfall with this as well over the next several days. Model guidance is in pretty good agreement of you seeing between half an inch and an inch and a half of rain out across your area between Friday and the Monday time period. Stu checking in from Champaign area, having a marathon Saturday morning. Things should be clearing out around that area. Might have a couple of lingering showers. Friday evening definitely could have some showers and thunderstorms in the area, though. Kaylee checking in from the York area. Yes, you'll be getting some showers and thunderstorms over the next couple of days as well. Could have some severe weather threat out across your area as well. Deborah checking in from southern LaSalle County. Thank you for tuning in. Bradley from Adams County. Generally, pretty much no matter where you're checking in from. I see Kaylee out in Warren County. I see Barbara checking in from West Chicago. No matter where you're at, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and into early Monday, there will be the chance of some showers and thunderstorms. There will be multiple rounds of showers and thunderstorms during that time period. I know, Barbara here, you're specifically checking in regarding Sunday from West Chicago. Yes, we could see some showers and thunderstorms in the West Chicago area. That's the Chicago suburbs. Sunday afternoon into Sunday night. Maybe some severe weather potential for some of that area. Don checking in here with a comment. Not a good weekend to rototill. Definitely not a good weekend to rototill the garden or your flower beds, that's for sure. It's going to be wet. Multiple rounds of showers and thunderstorms expected. Kaylee, this is going to be multiple rounds of showers and thunderstorms Friday through Monday. So there will be the chance of showers and thunderstorms across a good portion of the state every day. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Matthew, these are going to be waves of showers and thunderstorms. This is not going to be the type of situation where we see, afternoon pop-up popcorn showers and thunderstorms. No, these will be organized waves of showers and thunderstorms that move across the state and are possible across different portions of the state Friday through Monday. Daniel checking in regarding next weekend. A little bit too far out to discuss that. That's still a little over a week away, so a little bit too far out to discuss that time period. All right, but I believe I have gotten to at least most of the questions and comments here. So once again, a very active stretch of weather coming up here over the next couple of days. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, we will see several rounds of showers, thunderstorms, and severe weather potential across the state of Illinois. And things are going to kick off on Friday. We could see widespread areas of showers and thunderstorms across the state Friday morning through Friday night. And there could be an isolated severe thunderstorm potential out there across northwestern, western, and southwestern Illinois. That'd be Friday afternoon into Friday night. Overall, looks like a fairly low risk at this point in time. That's why we're only forecasting an isolated risk for some severe thunderstorms with some of that rain and thunderstorm activity once again Friday afternoon into overnight Friday night. Then once again Saturday, Sunday, Monday, we'll also see the risk for some rain, thunderstorms, and severe weather across portions of the state. And when all is said and done, bringing the European model back up here on the screen, we could see anywhere from a half an inch all the way up to maybe 2.5 inches of rain across portions of the state, depending on where exactly those showers and thunderstorms track. So, like I said, it's not going to be a total washout Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or Monday, but there will be multiple rounds of rain, thunderstorms, and severe weather potential during that Friday to Monday time frame. Additionally, I do want to point out temperatures are going to be warming up as well. It has been cooler the past couple of days, but as we get into Saturday, and especially Sunday into Monday and Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and even deeper into next week as well, we are going to see those temperatures warm up a good bit as well. See Tom checking in here. Timing, like I said, can't really get into specific timing because it is going to be multiple rounds of showers and thunderstorms that are going to be moving through anywhere from that Friday through Monday time frame. Gail checking in from Indiana. Yes, Indiana will be getting in on some of this rain and thunderstorm activity as well. So with that said, we'll go ahead and wrap things up here for early this afternoon. We will be back on again tonight for another full update regarding this active stretch of weather coming in. Like I said, multiple rounds of showers, thunderstorms with some severe weather potential across portions of the state, and that will be from Friday through the Monday time frame as well. So with that said, everyone have a great rest of your afternoon and enjoy your Thursday.